This class is prepared for primary school and to teach them about the basic digital painting. This software is in the Windows system and the name is Paint. And I want to teach the topic about house. Firstly, I can find the shape here. To find the shape of house, like this one, click it and draw the house here. Then I can find a shape of like circle here and draw a song like here. Then I can use this pencil shape to draw some clouds over the house. Although I can change the size of this pencil, I can use this one. So I can use this brushes. Use this shape to fill the color in these objects. Like I can use the yellow color to fill the sun and use the blue color to fill the cloud. Also, I can use the orange color to fill the house. If you find something is wrong painted before, so you can use this rubber shape. To erase some part like this. To make the shape of this cloud more perfect and remove the black lines in it. Also, you can use many other shapes here, like this shape. And there has two colors. If you select this color, when you use these shapes, the outline of these shapes is the color here. Change this color. For green here and for orange here. For kids, they can decorate more different shapes, and if they want to paint more flowers in it, they can also use the pencil shape to draw and for coloring it. Okay, this is the first class of tinting paint software.